Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your ID, payment card or net banking details, and the bill or reference number. Once you have those, open the official post office website or app and sign in. Make sure your contact email and mobile are accurate so you receive receipts. Now navigate straight to the Payments or Services section. This first action puts you in the correct workflow. If you see multiple payment types, choose the one matching your bill to avoid delays. Once in the payment screen, select the exact service type and carefully enter the reference or bill number and the billing amount. You must choose your payment method: card, UPI, or net banking, and then verify the payer details match the bill. Make sure to review applied taxes and any convenience fees so the total is correct. After checking everything, hit Continue or Pay. The system will redirect you to the payment gateway for secure processing and a confirmation step. You authenticate the transaction with OTP or 2FA, then wait for the confirmation screen and receipt. This proves payment. Make sure to save or screenshot the receipt and note the transaction ID and timestamp. These are crucial if you must dispute charges. If payment fails, do not retry repeatedly. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, clear browser cache or app data, and try again. If issues persist, contact the post office help desk with your transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.